Let's see, and we have here your... Ooh, this is your HG After Colony OZX GU01LOB or your Gundam LO Booster. And yeah, you can see that's very nice. A very nice kit right here. There's a glare on my lights right here, but yeah. See there? See this? Yeah. It's very nice, man. So it's an premium Bandai. Yeah, so I will open a little bit of this so that I can see the kit. And wow, this is our Gundam LO Booster, and it's a premium Bandai, and the same as usual. It will also have an unboxing, a speed build, and a quick look, and also a full review of this kit next time. That's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gumper Show signing off. Oh, we unleash a premium Bandai again, and yeah. Bye. Peace out. Bye.